It's Christmas again, and what better way to spruce up your tree than by adding a microcontroller to some of your Christmas decorations. My starting point was this battery-powered plastic train set I bought from Kmart for $20. I rewired the locomotive, adding a light to the front and bringing out the connections for the light, the motor and the battery, of course, which sits in the coal tender, as well as a little sound generator that the train came with, also in the coal tender. The clever bit, though, the microcontroller, sits in the lead car, which plugs into the 5-pin plug, and connects to the final car using a little 2-pin plug. All the final car has in it is a little light at the end. So the microcontroller car, through the little window here, receives infrared remote control signals, but of course the thing will operate autonomously if I don't send it anything. On the side is the sensor that tells it when it's at the station, and a reprogramming header in case I want to update the software. Opening up the first trailer car, you can see the processor, the optical sensor indicating when a station's present. Down here there's a small reed relay to operate the motor of the train, and a slightly oversized filtering capacitor which I had lying around. So it's looking for this little thing here with the white piece of paper, which tells it that it's arrived. And then once it has, it'll just sit there and wait for a minute until it's ready to go again. I can cheat and use the remote control and get it to go a bit earlier. So there you have it, an example of how Micromite Microcontroller can help make your Christmas more merry.